Well, it's wonderful to be here at this extraordinary festival. And, of course, I'm deeply honoured, really honoured, because at my age it's a mystery to me how any of this happens. But I just want to say shukran and congratulations on the Saudi Arabian immense projects for the film industry. I'm so grateful. I love Saudi Arabia and your generosity and grace. It's extraordinary. And I was here 2 years ago, oh, just over a year ago, and I was astonished how friendly everyone is. And, all I feel moved to say is, being given this honor, world peace to all of us. Thank you.